Okay, to start with, now that the focus today is on kidneys, what I will want to say is that before someone is identified to have kidney disease, most of these patients come to us when it is something that we are in the run to ensure that we get these patients early and we avoid the implications that come with chronic kidney disease. And to ensure that we do not get to the last stage at presentation, I will advise all of us, as healthy as we might feel we are, we make a point of having regular checkups. Take your 5 minutes, take your 10 minutes, go to the nearest facility, have your BP taken, your sugar monitored, so that with early identification of symptoms, we are able to ensure that you do not progress to the last stages of these diseases. And once you have been identified, like say today you are told you have diabetes, you still have a long life to live. When we manage you and when you take it seriously, that whatever you are told by the doctor you do, you still can lead and so in as much as we can, let us avoid taking drugs over the counter. When you have a clinic, please come so that we review you, we review your drugs.